Hey train hunters, this is Dave. Andrew and I were on the backside of Uceta to check out to see if there was a new heritage unit back there, and we saw old 778 coming along and heading out to go north and pick up a bunch of stuff. You can see he's coming up right now, and he's about to run over the camera right now. There he goes. See if you can see the different types of cars that go by. As the right now, you can tell that's the engine. What kind of cars going overhead? You can see there are some hopper cars, some liquid cars. That's what I call them. If that's what you really call them. I think Andrew got a specific name for them, but I'm not quite the train nerd that a lot of you guys are, or nowhere near the train nerd that my son Andrew is. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this little video and check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because what does it take, like 1 second to click subscribe? Come on, go do it. It helps out a lot. Alright, see ya.